55% of clients are already paying for hair gloss add-ons. If you're not offering a gloss with every single color service, you're not giving your clients full service. In this 3-part series, I'll share 3 signature glossing techniques that are inspired by some of your favorite Y2K icons to give your clients hair that's shiny and high contrast, just like in the early 2000s. Starting with the Socialite Bronde. Hey there, I'm Redken artist Gilad Goldstein. If you love Redken education, be sure to subscribe, leave a like, and let us know in the comments what you want to learn next. For now, let's learn. Today's transformation is all about creating that expensive-looking, glossy Bronde. And the best part is that it doesn't require a full color overhaul. A glossing service is one of the easiest ways to refresh your client's color, boost shine, and add rich, vibrant tones to the hair in one single appointment. For the color, we're using the Honey Copper in Shades EQ Gloss to give the hair a rich, dimensional Bronde. So now we're applying the gloss from roots to ends, making sure each section is fully saturated to get an even color result. Just working a small bead into the hair and then spreading it up the strand. I like to apply this with a bottle for speed, and we'll apply to zone 1 before pulling through to the rest of the ends. Your clients will appreciate the boost in shine as well as the vibrant color results that you can achieve with Shades EQ Gloss. If you're new to Shades EQ Gloss, the Honey Copper shades have a brown to tan background, which is going to help stabilize that Honey Copper tone. So you may be afraid when you hear Honey Copper, oh, it's going to be extra warm or too orange. But with Shades EQ Gloss, you actually have a background as well as an undertone in the color. So this has a brown to tan background, which will stabilize some of those warmer golden copper tones and give it a really beautiful natural finish. Shades EQ Gloss even has black to gray backgrounds if you're toning extra warmth out of the hair. On the hairline section, to keep it nice and clean, apply a bead of color on top of that last section and then just press that into the previous. That's going to let that color flow through the section, and then you can just push through and apply it as far up as you'd like. Same down here, we're just going to place a bead of color, and using that color, we're going to press that section up and let the color flow through. Then we can apply it exactly where we want using the nozzle of the bottle. Then you can just pull through the ends, laying it away from your client's face. So even on your clients who aren't receiving color services, you can offer a Shades EQ Gloss as a way to maybe boost their color, or just introduce them to something that's low commitment, but can really improve the quality of their hair. Standard processing time for Shades EQ Gloss is 20 minutes. Here's the final Honey Copper hair color. You can see this beautiful warm honey reflect that's not too coppery, but still gives a nice warmth to the hair. It's kind of like glowing, honestly. We also custom colored these hair extensions, and it's going to add lowlights and dimension as well as fullness to the final style. An easy and fast way to do this is to take the section of hair that you're going to put the clips on, come with a small teasing brush, and just underneath push some of those hairs up to the scalp. You want to create a slight cushion for the clips to hang on to. So the idea is that you're building a little bit of a foundation that if you pull on the clips, it's going to have some grip and it's not going to come right out. So you're just teasing a little bit of that hair. Once your tease is in, take a little bit of hairspray. This is the Redken brushable spray. And just spray the teased area. Then you can go ahead and apply your clips. Is this not so cute? So to finish everything off, we're just going to smooth the ends into the extensions with a flat iron. And I'm using low heat just to respect the gloss that we put in. So whenever you're doing a color service, just remember to keep your hot tools on a lower setting so that you can protect the color as much as possible. We kind of want to have that glass hair moment. So think about like the paparazzi kind of chasing you down the street, and they got all the flash cameras going on. You gotta have shiny hair so that it's reflecting really nice. This final step of adding some shine flash into the hair is going to really put the whole look together. So this is giving that seamless, glassy shine to the hair, and it's really smoothing the cuticle down for you as well. If you've got really dry, brittle ends, this is a product that's going to cosmetically make them look so much smoother. This was so much fun. Make sure that you try the Honey Copper Shades EQ Gloss shades. They're so beautiful, so shiny, and the results speak for themselves. Check the description below to see all the products I used today, as well as Redken education offerings and our Level loyalty program. And when you recreate this look, be sure to tag Redken across all socials so we can celebrate your win. I'll see you in the next episode for more Y2K glosses.